morning. Welcome to our class. Today we are going to learn about first class maths. So children, in the previous class we have already completed our chapter. So the addition chapter we have completed. So the subtraction. So subtracting of the numbers. So addition we have completed. Now we are doing the subtractions. So in the subtractions also, subtracting the one digit number from a two digit number, subtractions using the number strips, subtracting of a two digit numbers and subtracting of tens also we have completed, children. So all these we have completed in our previous class. Today we are going to learn about the new one. So what is that? Yes, based on this today we are going to learn about the word problems. So on this topic only, the subtractions, today we are going to do the word problems. So let us see, children, all of you open your textbooks. The page number, children, 154. The page number 154, we have some word problems. Let us see, children. So here no need to worry, we don't need to write the steps and all. So already they have given us some and just numbers we have to keep there. Okay, children, so no need to do the additions. Steps we don't need to do there. So here we can see, children, word problems. The first one example already has completed there in our textbook. So let us see that example. There are 27 children in 1C. So in a first standard, C section. So A section, B section, C section. So in our school we have the different names for the sections. That is, some of them they used to give the different names. So in our school we used to call it as a row section, loader section, lily section, isn't it, children? So in the same way, A, B, C they are keeping the sections. So in that school, in a C section class, in a first class only C section, there are 27 children out there. 27. So here we can see, children, 27 children out there. 2 tens, 7 ones. 5 children are absent. So 5 members are absent. How many are present? So among the 27 children in a C section of first class, 27 children, among from the total 27, 5 children are absent. They didn't came to the school, they didn't attend the school, they are absent. Remaining how many are present, they are asking. So what should we have to do, children? Yes, we have to do the subtraction. From the total, if you do the 5 members subtraction, how many members are present, that will get the answer. So 27 minus 5 we should do. Okay, children, so like this we can do. So first of all we have to do in a vertical. So in a vertical subtraction we should do. So how should we write here? So here we can write, children, the tens place and the ones place. 2 tens, 7 ones, 27. 5 members are absent. So children, let us write the 5 here. No. So 5 means only 5 ones. So ones place, if you write the 5 here below the 2, the value will changes. Because if you write the 5 in a tens place, now then it will become in a 5 tens. So we should not write here. So here the 5 means only 5 ones. So we should write the 5 below the ones place. That means below the 7. So here we should write, children, 5. So like this we have to keep, and the symbol we have to do. So without the symbol we don't know what we have done there. We have done whether it is addition or subtraction. How could we know? So we have to keep the symbol there. Minus symbol. So we are doing the subtraction. Let us do the ones place. So in ones place 7. So the bigger number is 7. Smaller number is 5. So 5 members are absent. We are subtracting the 5. Remaining 2. So the ones place, 2 ones. Comes to the tens place. Here what we have? 2. Here any number is there? Not there. So 0. Nothing is 0. So the answer it will come here directly. 2 minus 0, 2 only. The same number it will come. So how many children are present, children? Yes, 22 children are present. So totally 27 children are there. Among them 5 are absent. So 22 are present in the class. Here we got the answer. very easily. So that's what here they have written. So here we can write this 22 children in this blank. 27 minus 5, 22. 22 are present. So this is the first one. So here already has completed in our textbook. Now let us see the second one. So what we have to do children, here the numbers we have to write like this. And the vertical form already they have given there. So we can do the calculation there itself and the answer you can note down here in the textbook itself. But here the blanks children, here you have to write the numbers. So what they have given in the question, the same thing you have to write down there. What is the first number and what the second number they have given. Okay children? So like this you can do. Now let us see the second example children. Children, let us see now the second one in our textbook. Here the question. Teacher had 59 sheets of paper. So in a school, drawing class is going on there. Some children are there in a class and they are doing the drawing. And now to draw the pictures, so ma'am is giving some sheets of paper. So on the paper only they used to do the drawing competition is going on there. Suppose you think it as a drawing competition is going on. So to do the drawing, so the ma'am she is distributing the sheets of paper to all the children. Okay children, the children they have to do the drawing on the paper. So teacher had 59 sheets of paper. How many sheets of paper? 59 minus, okay children, so let us keep this aside here. And 37 papers were used for drawing. So among from the 59 sheets of paper, 37 papers are used for drawing. So 37 children they attended the class and they have used it for the drawing. 37 papers they have used. Now the question is, how many are left with the ma'am? How many papers, how many sheets of paper are left now? So left comes means, yes, we have to do the subtractions. So how will we get the left answer? So how can we get the left papers? Yes, we have to do the subtraction. 59 sheets of paper, ma'am she is holding the 59 sheets of paper. So from that 37 were used for drawing. 37. So were used for drawing. So like this we have to write. Here they have given a blank and here they have given a blank. And here we have to write down the answer. So in the first blank 59, second blank 37. Now we have to do the answer. So left. So first of all we have to do this calculation in a vertical form. So like this we can't do the calculation. Okay. So let us write down here. So this is the tens and this is the ones children. 5 tens, 9 ones, 3 tens, 7 ones. Minus. We are doing the subtraction. So minus symbol before the number children. So you can't keep the sign here and you can't write the number there. So that is wrong process. The ones place should come in the ones place and the tens place should come in the tens place and the symbol must come before the number. Okay children, is that clear? So now let us do from the ones place. So now 9 minus 7. So take 9 fingers. So we are taking the 9 fingers. 7 we have to 4. 5. Okay children, 6, 7. So remaining 2. 2 ones below the ones place. Now comes to the tens place. 5 minus 3. Take 5 fingers. 3 fingers you should fold. 1, 2, 3. So remaining 2. So here we have completed the answer. Now how many papers, how many sheets of papers are left with the ma'am? Yes, 22. So this we can write here children, 22. 22 sheets of paper. This is the paper. So here we got the answer. So children, this you can write children here, 59 minus 37. This already they have given here in the textbook. So we have to write down the answer 22. Here the vertical form like this they have given. So you should do the calculation like this. So here we can complete in the textbook children. Okay, here the numbers already they have given there. Just you have to do the calculation. That means the subtractions you have to do by using your fingers. Okay children, don't use the lines. Only the fingers you should do. So the third one children. So let us see one more example After this, the remaining two sums, you can do it on your own. So children, let us see the third one, children. So there are 27 children. There are 27 children out there. So another one, that is 16 are girls. So totally in the class 27 members are there. From them 16 are girls. 16 members are girls. Now the question is, how many are boys? So what we have to do, children? The total. So from the total, if you subtract the girls, then we will get the boys. So children, let us write on here. So like this, they have given a blanks here, children, for us. So what we have to do? So the first number we should write it. What we should write the first number? So how many children are there in a class? Yes, 27 children are there. 27 children are there in a class. How many are girls? Yes, 16 are girls. So here in the second blank we have to write the girls. 16 are girls. Now we have to write on the answer boys. If you do the subtraction, 27 minus 16, then we will get the boys. So now we have to write the vertical form. Tens place and ones place. How much? The first number, 2 tens. 2 tens, 7 ones. Okay, children? The second number, 16. 1 tens, 6 ones. So here the minus symbol. We have to do the subtraction. 7 minus 6, the ones place. Take 7 fingers, 6 fingers we have to fold. So 5, 6. Now how much is the remaining? 1. Now the tens place, 2. Second one, 1. So fold 1. So remaining how much? Yes, only 1. So here how much the big number will be? That many fingers we should take. Take 7 fingers, 6 fingers fold, remaining 1. Take 2 fingers, fold 1 finger, remaining 1. So 11. So how many members are the boys in the class? Yes, 11 are boys. So this 11 you should write here. The answer, 11 are boys. So here we have completed the third one. So children, I hope all of you understood. The 3 sums we have completed. The first example already has given there. Remaining 4 sums are there. The 2 sums I have given already on the board. So the remaining 2 sums you have to do on your own. So this you can try it, children, on your own. So hope you understood, all of you, subtraction on these sums. So here we can see, children, they have given the problem. There are 59 desks are there and chairs. So 59 desks and chairs, and among from the 27 are desks, how many are chairs they are asking. So like this only, the same way you can write here. The first, the 59 and the 27. So there you can do the vertical form. So here already in the vertical form they have given there. So you can do the calculation very easily. So in the same way you can complete all this. Hope you understood, all of you. Thank you.